Welcome! In this video, I'll show how to enable app icon badge notifications on Snapchat so you never miss when someone adds you. If your Snapchat icon isn't showing those little notification numbers, this quick setting will fix it. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where all your app permissions and notification controls are managed. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, it might also be called Applications or App Management. Now, find and tap on Snapchat from the list of apps. This will open all the settings specifically for Snapchat. Next, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see all the different notification options available for the app. Look for an option called Notification Categories and tap on it. This section allows you to control specific types of notifications instead of turning everything on or off. Now, scroll until you find Added You under the Friends section and tap on it. This is the setting that controls notifications when someone adds you on Snapchat. Finally, you'll see an option for app icon badges. Go ahead and toggle this on. Once enabled, you'll start seeing badge numbers on your Snapchat app icon whenever someone adds you as a friend. It's a simple way to stay updated without opening the app constantly. If you don't see the badge immediately, make sure your phone also allows app icon badges globally in your main notification settings, as this can sometimes override app-specific options.